subscribe. And this is the dad, Michael. Listen, his work and the mom is Tracy, and she's 28. The dad is 29, and the mom works at school too. And this is the sister at high school. This is the brother and at school at high school too. This is the two triplets at daycare. She's still 1 and 2, and now she's 26. She's 28. This gonna do the two face if she like to cry and. Wait, let's take off that. Let's take off that. Get up, start them. Start them. Okay. Now this is, you know her already. This is Michael, the brother. She's 18. This is the sister, Stephanie. You know her already, Stephanie. And she's school at high school, and she's 18. She's 18. She's school at high school. Bye, guys.